Oh good, I'm sick with minor starvation. Whatever will I do? I'm gonna go straight to the clinic and have my legs fixed. Alright, I'm back. Doc, where are you? I wonder if he's got anything interesting in his first aid box. No, he doesn't.
Boy, you're well, you're standing fine. Here, hold this end for me. Okay, now give it back. All better now, you...
Did that fix my leg? Yes.
Men, women, and children of the earth.
Hey, what can I get you? Have a look.
And no purified water. That's kind of to be expected at this point. I guess I'll get more of the steamed Mirelurk. And I suppose in exchange I'll trade all of my ammo.
Enjoy.
Okay, well now we gotta go see Moira.
Fiddled with any interesting technology lately?
I reactivated all the robots and was able to modify their programming.
Harnessing the technology
Yeah.
of the past and modifying it for your own purposes? That's just the thing. Tell me all about how it worked out.
Yeah.
So, they were dangerous until you got control of them. Definitely a good lesson in there about using old technology. Seems like a good thing to watch for when dealing with tech of any age. And it helps to pack a few pulse grenades, just in case. Here, have a few. Oh, and take my book on science. For some reason, I just can't get into the computer parts, but I've got the rest pretty much memorized.
Oh, okay. Last part is local history.
Yes, Rivet cities in particular. It's the most successful survivor settlement around, but no one here really knows how it started. Of course, that's why it's important to know how a place like that succeeded. So I need you to go there and do some researching.
Okay.
Oh, now I can't wait for what you find out down there. And check around to make sure you're hearing the real deal.
Okay. Wait, I wonder if I can just cheese this quest. Oh, never mind.
You go.
Alright. Oh, can you repair my equipment?
Any luck finding out how
Yeah, no,
You?
repair my equipment.
Was it the steaming pile of slag?
Yikes. You know, this almost seems worth it, actually, considering how much I use this. Adds 5 damage. You know what? I have so much money, I'm not using it for anything. I'm getting kind of finessed here, but... No, I didn't... Okay. So, can I make 308? I need lead, powder rifle, primer, large rifle. Well, that sucks. Okay. Unless Moira for some reason is selling that.
Oh, hey!
She sells 2 308 rounds. That's incredible. Maybe I should buy something like this for my house. Because, like, an infirmary or a laboratory would be a pretty good use of my money. Or the hot plate. I'm gonna get the hot plate in my house. Are you kidding me? Let's see if I can sell her anything. I don't really have anything worth too much. I suppose I could sell her some of my ammo. I'm not using all this 5mm round. And that wasn't even very much. Okay, that sucks. Okay.
Good hunting.
Well, in theory, I should be able to make stuff at the hot plate now. Probably nothing great, but it's an option. I need more pre-war books, because that seems to be the way for me to get money at this point. But let's talk to Wadsworth. Maybe by some chance he'll have water again. Boy, Wadsworth, you got water?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, alright. You're useless to me. Now, where's my hot plate? Yeah. Yeah, so if I get my survival up a little bit, I can... Fajita spices? Where the hell do I get that? Why... Cloned maize? What? Alright. Interesting. So, now I guess we get to go to Rivet City. Which... it can't be that bad. Rivet City, just on its own, is pretty reasonably safe. But I have to walk down from the Museum of Technology. So I think I'm just going to go to Arlington Library and sell my books. And then I'm going to have to walk down. Which sounds like it's going to be so much fun. Alright, you want to buy some of my books?
Welcome back. Have you been...
I have some books for you.
Very well.
Alright. Good that I get XP for doing this, too. It's a pretty good motivator other than money. So, Rivet City is this way. I already looted this one. I think that dude's Brotherhood of Steel. That scared me a little bit. Now my power fist's all nice and not in garbage condition. You know what I probably need to do is start making weapon repair kits. I think that uses a bunch of stuff that I haven't been picking up this whole time, like Wonder Glue and scrap metal. And now that I actually have the strength to pick that you know, garbage up, I might be able to start making them so I can keep my weapons in tip-top shape. So I'm assuming Rivet City is past the Washington Memorial, which I'm not too sure I want to go to ever, because that's like super mutant heaven. That being said, I might take a little bit of a swim because we got what looks like very clean water. Let's go to the pier and just make 100% sure I don't want to jump in and then get irradiated severely. Yeah, no, it's clean water. Interesting. Alright. Let's check this boat out. Probably nothing in here. Yeah, not really, no. Alright. Oh wait, this is the steamboat for the DLC. I should probably go check this out and then turn around. Come on. There we go. And that looks like... Is that Rivet City? I can't really tell. I see the bow of a ship. I think that's Rivet City. Yeah, I don't think all this water is supposed to be clean, but because it is, I'm just going to abuse that. Again, game would be great. Okay, some 308 rounds, finally. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something, but I completely forgot what. There it is. Maybe I'll be able to buy purified water at Rivet City. That'd be pretty good. I'm sure there's a way to make it. Like, there's gotta be. Yeah, this sure is Rivet City. Okay. Oh, god damn it. Invisible wall remover. Okay. And it's gonna be nighttime soon, so I guess it's good that I'm here. Hopefully my low speech skill doesn't kind of bone me. There's absolutely nothing in that one. Wait, this is the entrance for Project Purity. I need to go further downstream. Or downriver, I guess. Okay, well hopefully I don't get murdered by super mutants. I'm hoping the security here protects me from that. Come on. Okay, maybe this is something I can jump. Damn it. Okay, well at least I can get up this. Now I gotta walk around in the dark for a little bit. That's gonna be fun. And the problem is the markets aren't even going to be open this late. Damn, this looks pretty. Pretty. Alright, welcome to Rivet City, I guess.
Looking to make a trade?
Sure.
Welcome, welcome. My name is Crow, and I travel the land offering vestments of protection. And you are fortunate I found you in time. You bear the look of one who is haunted, but I am proud to say that my wares can protect you from even the cruel claws of death itself. Have a look.
I guess he's an armor vendor?
If the clothes make the man,
Yeah.
then here are the means to remake yourself.
This is very expensive. I do not have the money to buy combat armor. He does have stim packs, though.
Walk well, friend.
Alright.
Good to see you.
I can't take it anymore. Please, help me.
I'm sorry I don't have any water.
Welcome to Rivet City. Please wait while the bridge extends.
I'm surprised they're even letting me in. Like, I show up at like 9. It's not that late, I guess. I can't see a damn
Hold
thing.
it right there. State your business in Rivet City.
I'm doing some trading. Oh, never mind.
Research, huh? I can't help you there, but you're free to ask around inside. Just don't start any trouble.
Okay.
Carry on, then.
Oh, right, I have to come
Anything
here
to
for
report?
Nothing, sir.
Project Purity anyway, but I can't go into the markets. Let's wait about 12 hours then. Okay.
Morning.
Rock? I don't remember which of these guys sells the weapons.
This here is Flack and Shrapnel's gun shop. Pretty catchy, huh? Take a look around. If you see anything you like, I'll be right over here.
Sure.
Need to do some killing, eh?
What kind of guns do you have? I obviously cannot afford anything here, but... European battle rifle? No. Pretty basic stuff. Also selling combat armor for more money than I have. Okay, do you sell any 308? He does, but not really very many. Why the armor piercing too, I guess. Alright.
A pleasure doing business with you.
I'm hoping the bar over here sells water. Or this
Let me
dude.
introduce myself. I am Gary.
Yeah, mm-hmm. Do you sell water? Oh my god, of course he doesn't sell water. Romanuka? How much do you want for the dirty water? 21 caps each? Are you high?